To have a multiple Roblox account open at once, make sure you have a Roblox account manager. To open these three accounts at the same time, drag and select, then open Join Server. Make sure that the place ID is empty. Other option to open this at the same time, you can also click the Open Browser, and the three accounts that was saved in Account Manager will open automatically at the same time. And that's it. You have successfully opened a three accounts at the same time. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the YouTube channel.